Hey everyone, it's Brett from Dennis Bernard, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I use TCA, our color accelerator, for great coverage and beautiful color dimension. Starting off, my canvas came to me with faded out ends. They needed to be moisturized and cut as well, but we needed to add dimension back in. We also have about an inch of 75 to 100% gray regrowth. TCA can be conveniently added to high lifts, lighteners, semi-demi, permanent, and direct dyes. So for my 3 ounces of mixed color, we're going to be adding 13 drops right in. What's amazing about TCA is that it does not require a formulation change or a developer bump whatsoever. It does not dilute your formula. I also have 2 ounces of demi-permanent color mixed in, so we're going to be adding 10 drops for my 2 ounces. Formulated with jojoba mineral oil and vitamin E, TCA is going to add that extra boost of shine and beautiful moisture to any of my color formulas. So I love that I'm adding this to my color refresh. Here, we're just going to simply apply as normal. We're going to touch up our gray coverage because TCA does aid in gray coverage. And if I need to ever remix my color, which I'm doing here, we simply just go by the amount of ounces mixed and we add 5 drops. There are 3 different options when it comes to processing with TCI. For my canvas in particular, I'm going to be using her body heat for her 1 inch of gray regrowth for 20 minutes, checking periodically. You can also use external heat. All you have to do is simply put a few holes in the processing cap for airflow. Or you can let it sit for the full processing time so you can reap all the benefits that TCA has to offer. So this is going to be my end result, and as you can see and definitely tell that there is a gorgeous natural glow and shine and bounce to the hair. There's 100% gray coverage there that was achieved in 20-25 minutes with no signs of under or over processing whatsoever. This entire process took me 1 hour and 45 minutes from start to finish. So this could mean more clients in your chair.